If you want to delete a Gamma project, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove a project from your Gamma dashboard safely and correctly. Whether you created the project by mistake, finished using it, or just want to clean up your workspace, this process is simple and only takes a few moments. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the website loads, sign in with the account that has access to the Gamma project you want to delete. If you're already signed in, you can skip this part and go straight to your dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on the Gamma dashboard, which is where all of your projects are listed. Now look through your dashboard and find the project you want to remove. If you have a lot of projects, take your time and make sure you're selecting a correct one. This is important because once you delete or move a project to trash, you may not be able to recover it right away, depending on Gamma settings. When you found the project, move your cursor over it and look for the three-dot menu, also known as the More Options menu. Click on that three-dot icon to open the available actions for that project. In the menu that appears, you should see an option that says Delete or Move to Trash. Gamma may use slightly different wording depending on updates to the platform, but the function is the same. Click Delete or Move to Trash. After that, Gamma may ask you to confirm your decision. If a confirmation box appears, read the message carefully and then click the confirmation button to complete the deletion. This final step helps prevent accidental removal of important projects. Once you confirm, the selected Gamma project will be removed from your dashboard. If Gamma sends deleted items to a trash area first, the project may still be recoverable for a limited time. If it is permanently deleted right away, it will no longer appear in your project list. If you are cleaning up multiple projects, you can repeat the same steps for each one. Just open the dashboard, find the project, click the three-dot menu, and choose the delete option. It's a very fast way to organize your Gamma workspace and keep only the projects you actually need. And that's it. You now know how to delete a Gamma project in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.